How to start a PC building business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a PC building business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. If you've always been passionate about computers and have a knack for assembling high-performance systems, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Step 1. Define your niche. Before you dive headfirst into the PC building industry, it's crucial to define your niche. Determine what kind of clients you want to target. Will you specialize in gaming rigs, content creation workstations, or maybe custom-built PCs for businesses? By identifying your niche, you can tailor your services to meet the specific needs of your target market. Step 2. Build your network. Now that you know your niche, it's time to start building your network. Reach out to local computer parts suppliers, distributors, and even other PC builders in your area. Establishing relationships with them will not only help you get better deals on components but also provide a support system to share knowledge and collaborate on projects. Step 3. Assemble your arsenal. To run a successful PC building business, you need the right tools. Invest in quality tools such as screwdrivers, cable management kits, thermal paste, and an anti-static mat. Also, stock up on a wide range of computer components, ensuring you have the necessary parts to fulfill your clients' needs. Step 4. Establish your online presence. In this digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Create a professional website that showcases your services, previous builds, and customer testimonials. Utilize social media platforms to engage with your audience, share valuable content, and build your brand. Don't forget to optimize your website for search engines so potential clients can easily find you. Step 5. Provide exceptional customer service. When it comes to building a loyal customer base, exceptional customer service is key. Listen to your clients' needs, offer personalized recommendations, and provide timely updates throughout the build process. Remember, word-of-mouth recommendations can be a powerful tool for growing your business. Step 6. Manage your finances. Running a PC building business requires careful financial management. Track your expenses, including the cost of components, tools, marketing, and any overhead costs. Establish clear pricing structures for your services, ensuring you factor in your time and expertise. Consider investing in accounting software to help streamline your financial processes. Step 7. Build a stellar portfolio. Building a portfolio is essential to showcase your skills and expertise to potential clients. Take high-quality photos of your completed builds and create a comprehensive portfolio that highlights the unique features of each system. Consider partnering with local businesses or content creators to provide them with custom-built PCs in exchange for testimonials and exposure. Starting a PC building business is an exciting endeavor, but it requires dedication, knowledge, and hard work. Remember, always stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends, continuously improve your skills, and provide exceptional value to your clients. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.